I overcome the issue with a loose U-bolt. I welded a bolt underneath, just drilled a hole in, if you can see, drilled a hole in the metal there, just put a bolt through and clamped it on here. This bolt isn't actually fixed in there, it just rests in there as a guide, and it just causes a tension to keep the U-bolt tight. I've only done the nuts up finger tight. The nuts to the U-bolt are behind there. I can tighten them up if I want to, but this is just mobile unit. I'll just nip it up a little bit with a spanner. Okay, just an update. I've mounted the motor on the back, and that works fine. I actually tried a fuel filter just to make sure there's no bad particles in the water, but it actually draws in more air, so it's a slight problem. Second to that, I made a filter end up using a piece of copper and fly screen and cable ties. That's just to stop big particles going in the water. I really like one a bit finer than that, but that's the best I've got at the moment, which I'll fix. So now at the moment I'm just about to sort out the wiring. I'm going to have a switch here with a fuse, switch and a fuse there, and a connection going down to the battery, but I'm going to make it so I can disconnect it from the battery for storage. Now with this unit I have mounted the motor on the back, and I have wired the motor into a pour switch. There's no water in the moment, but I'll pour that, the switch is on, push that in, switch is off, so the motor runs. Okay, on the battery, which I strapped, I found a nice strap to strap it all the way around so it don't go anywhere. I put on a couple of spade connectors, I can pull it apart, so when I put the whole unit away I can pull it apart. Now I've made this so this whole unit comes apart, so that off the trolley, detach from the trolley, and I can put it into a camper trailer. Hose going into my shower tent, and I'll show you the setup in there. Okay, we're inside the shower tent, and I've just clipped the shower on the roof, just using its own tyres and stuff that's provided with the shower tent, and just aimed it so the jet will just come straight down. Now if I unzip the back of the tent, I can put my hand out and I can adjust the controls. For the heat, I can zip it back up, and I can turn it, it's actually on on position at the moment, but I can turn it off and on up the top here. Obviously if you're tall you can get it. If you're small like my daughter, I'll have it all set up here on the button down there, and she can ask one of us to turn it on.